Automation is expensive?
Hello.
Hey, are you joining for Ramesh's party today?
No, I'll miss this one too. Data for the previous month was just updated. I need to update my MIS.
Damn. Is it the one that takes 3 days to update?
Yes, it's that one.
Man, your weekend is doomed again.
I wish I did not have to wait 3 days every time for the updated report. He too has to slog so much. I wish automation was cheaper.
Automation is not expensive. Not automating is expensive. You can automate your dashboards, payment reminders, GST reco, and get these tasks done in less time at a reasonable cost. This way you can use your resources for things better than mundane manual tasks. Automate your work, elevate your life.